Happy Mail Queen again. So I wanted to share another traveler's notebook that I created. I actually finished this, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks ago, and I just hadn't had a chance to do a video on it. But I did create a nice Valentine TN again, and here it is. This time I used an older paper collection from Authentique. And let me see. I used, sorry guys, I was trying to look for the paper. I used this one right here, which is called Adore, and it's double-sided. Got this a while back, I think from the expo, and it just has beautiful, beautiful vintage images. And I love this page right here where with the roses and like postage stamp. I just love it. So I wanted to use this as a cover. The only thing is, the only mistake that I made is when I did put my pocket on the inside. Can you guys see that line right there? It did kind of go through, like you can see it. So that's the part I don't like, but otherwise it's really cute. Okay, so that's what I used for the cover. I used this elastic band here for, you know, for a little closure, and that's from Hobby Lobby. And then used my heart dangles or charms that I created. Oh, I forgot to put my charm there too. Okay, and then when you open it up, you put it down here. It's like this, and I have a couple of die cuts. These are really cute images. Like I said, they're very vintage. Really, really cute. And again, I made this pocket, this clear pocket, using Bona's tutorial, and I'll leave her link in the description box. For my shaker here, I just used a bunch of different sequins, just to kind of match this another die cut here. And these die cuts, some of them are oriented like this, you know, portrait style, and this one is the other style. What is this again? There's portrait and there's, oh god, it escapes me right now. But anyway, love that. And then for my first book here, I just decorated, or I just changed the cover, and this is one of those ready-made notebooks from the Dollar Tree, sorry. And that's that one. This is the other part of the shaker. I basically used the sleeve that has, one part has the 4x6, the other half has 4x6, and then this one has the wallet size ones. Okay, that makes sense. And I just put a bunch of sequins in there. This one here again is my magnetic tag that I created using the Tags a Lot die. This is a die cut that was gifted to me by Bridget, and I think she stitched that. And then, oops, a little clip there to kind of hold it, and behind that is a folder that I created, and it's just a, you know, plain folder using, you know, the cardstock. Okay, and then inside I made another embellishment, little packaging here. Let me just pull this out. And this is using a couple of my dies. I kind of just made my own topper. And then here I made a couple of tags, and I hadn't shared these tags with you guys. I created these a while back, but look how cute. This is one of the dies that I had gotten a while back, and you know, it's, you can pull this out here, but I think I pretty much adhered it from the back here. And then here's a tag from the Tags a Lot die, and I love these wooden these wooden embellishments from Joann's, and then I just cut another little die cut and put an eyelet on it, and this gold twine from Target. Just really simple. And then I made another booklet, and this time I used that I think it's Marianne Designs tag die that my BFF gifted me. I love this die, you guys. Thank you, girl, Erica. I just used, I think this is from Hobby Lobby, if I'm not mistaken. And then I used one of those shakers from last year from Michaels. Okay, and then that's the back page. And for this one right here, I made another folder. And oh, look, I didn't embellish it. But anyway, I just made some more tags using that Marianne Designs tag die. Just used one of those gingham ribbon again from where is this? From Hobby Lobby, I believe. And these stickers is from Michaels. They're the last year's Valentine collection. Really cute, as well as this paper right here. I believe this is from last year's paper from Michaels. And this trim here is, did I get this year? I can't even remember. I think this is this from Target? I don't remember. I got so much stuff this year and last year. Can't even remember anymore, guys. Okay, this is one of the paper tray ink tag dies, and I just cut out a bow here as well. Not cut, but punched out the little bows. It's the Martha Stewart punch. This EXO and this foiled heart here, this is from the Target Dollar Spot stickers. And again, another tag, using the tags a lot. And in the back, I made another pocket and some more of these die cuts. So really cute and simple. Love it. And I just love making tea ends, you guys. It's my thing right now. That and my heart flip books. I'm loving it. So that's how it closes. And what else? And then I also created, what else did I make? Oh, I also created, I don't know if I shared this with you guys, this wand, but I created this pretty wand, really cute, and I just layered, this is that Spellbinders die that I recently purchased, and I layered this one and this one. That's from the same die set, and then I made a little rosette. And the paper I used is the Valentine's paper from last year from Michaels. And I made a bow using my my Creative Time bow. And these are embellishments from the Valentine collection last year. And then as well as this heart here that I put. And I just backed it. I cut another piece here to cover up the back with glitter paper, and it made another bow. And then this is a what do you call it? It's this, one of those stirrers from Target, and it has the word love on it, but I just cut that part out and then just used the stick because I wanted to make sure this was nice and sturdy. Sometimes when you use the straws, they bend. So I wanted to use one of these plastic stirrers instead. So yeah, that is my share. I hope you guys like my TN and rosette, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye!